Hey guys, how you doing? I'm in the kitchen. A little cold in the shop, so I figure I would do this this video in the house. So this one is a real quick one, and what I've noticed is now that it's winter time, my Alumilite that I use, my casting resin, is the part B of the clear is getting thick. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that right now. So, as you guys can see, or at least I hope you can, you see how that's like all globby in there? It doesn't really want to move. You know, it's going to be kind of hard to pour something like this if it's, you know, this thick. You're not going to get accurate measurements and all that. So, what we're going to do is we are going to take a glass of, in my case, a glass of water, because this is going to work really well, because when the water comes up, it's going to cover the whole thing. You shouldn't heat this over 130 degrees or so, depending on how cold of a temperature you had it stored in. If it gets like down in the 60s, it'll start to thicken up on you like this. So all I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it in and let it go. Now guys, you want to make sure that you don't get water near the cap, because you want to make sure that you have no water come in contact with your Alumilite, because those two are not friendly. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let this sit in here for, you know, until it gets to a consistency that's workable, and then I'll be fine. I'll be back to show you what it should look like when it's all thinned out. Alright guys, here we are, we're back. If you use a slightly bigger vessel than what I have, like a bowl that's about that deep, about half as high, you know, that'll work better, but this fit really good. It's out of the way. I could leave it on my counter. So I had the temperature of the part B actually cooled down the water, so I went back, I put more hot water in it just from the tap, and then I let it sit. And I think we're ready, so let's get this out of here. I'll need a towel so I don't get my table all wet again. So let's take this and dry it up. And from what it was before until now, you can see how much better this flows. It'll go from top to bottom of the container, and not all that sluggish. So now I'll be able to, you know, pour it out and make my mix. So everybody, I hope this helped you, and I hope if somebody else is having this issue, you know, it works and it's going to help someone. Don't know who, maybe somebody, I don't know. So hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And very shortly you're going to see a video of me using this to make something. So hopefully you guys stick around, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, get in your shop, make something. Have a nice day, guys.